Although the FD150E, with a distance between centres of 150 mm, is almost pocket-sized in terms of its dimensions, the number of equipment features is astonishing and would otherwise only be expected on considerably larger machines. The main spindle of our machine is guided by high-precision ball bearings located in a solid CNC milled headstock. A powerful but extremely quiet motor provides the appropriate drive, with power being transmitted to the spindle via a belt drive with vibration damping. Its rotational speed can be regulated using a sensitive electronic control. In addition, the speed range can be expanded by changing the mechanical transmission ratio of the belt drive. A range from 800 to 5,000 revolutions per minute can therefore be covered without difficulty, which means that appropriate cutting speeds offering adequate power can be achieved at all times. A centrally clamped three-jaw chuck is the most popular choice for the majority of working tasks encountered under practical conditions. Ours is even equipped with reversible jaws, which facilitate the clamping of workpieces ranging from 1.5 to 60 mm. The spindle bore enables the insertion of round material with a diameter up to 8 mm in this context. The tailstock and live centre ensure that longer workpieces are safely supported at their faces and thus stabilised. Also exceptional for a lathe as compact as this, the amply dimensioned and adjustable dovetail guides. Their traversing paths are extremely generous, with a cross slide of 40 mm and an upper carriage of 60 mm. Their position can be checked easily during work. The scale rings have markings accurate to 1/10 of a millimetre and can even be adjusted to configure the zero position. A further speciality of our FD150E is the upper carriage, which can be swivelled from -45 to +45 degrees. This means that the machining of conical or tapered workpieces is also child's play. And just a brief word about our practical range of accessories. The standardized ER11 collets in our collet set cover diameters ranging from 2 to 7 mm. They fit the interior taper provided specially for this purpose in the main spindle and ensure perfect concentricity and maximum precision. And where face drilling is necessary, the job is made easy using our drill chuck with standardized MK0 taper lock bushing. Our range of accessories is rounded off by an appropriate turning tool set to ensure a broad application range. Our FD150E, the perfectly designed system for the most varied aspects of model building, training purposes, manufacturing jewellery, artistic work, and much, much more. In short, the ideal machine for ambitious beginners and advanced users who refuse to compromise when it comes to equipment features, function, and precision. Proxon. Tools with character.